Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check OMNI. This is a free airdrop of a huge project. This is OMNI Network. They are a layer 1 blockchain that connects all the Rollups networks. So this is a big project with a great idea and technology behind it that raised 18 million from investors. Also, they are ready to launch the token on the launch of the project. And right now they are in a live testnet version 2. So we are going to cover step by step on how you can participate on this testnet and everything to maximize your possibilities for this airdrop. This is one of the big ones, guys, so don't take it lightly. Check the video until the end so you understand what you need to do. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember to check the subscriptions on my website, to my private Discord, and to my application to register and apply to airdrops. Very easy, great subscriptions if you are behind airdrops. And without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, OMNI is a layer 1 blockchain built to connect all rollups. Using OMNI, developers can build global applications that are available across all rollups. Secure through restaking Ethereum, OMNI is a next generation blockchain leading the frontier in both security and functionality. And this is not a small project. They raised 18 million from investors like Panther Capital and Jump Crypto and already launched a testnet. Right now they launched the version 2, which we are going to test. And they have confirmed the launch of their token called OMNI. And early users who do the testnet missions may get an airdrop when their token goes live. And I say this is not a small project, it's not a small community. You can see they have almost 300 followers on Twitter on OMNI Network, OMNI FDN, and the Twitter is full of information, and because they launched this new testnet version 2, you can really take advantage of this to get this airdrop. And the technology behind this is not to take lightly. You can see Arbitrum, Scroll, Linea, all connected by OMNI Network. So this is a very important project for the crypto space in general. So getting an airdrop from this project is not a small thing. The website is omni.network. You can see many things there about what we are going to check, but you also have information about the ecosystem of OMNI, so you can check the ecosystem there, and information about how the project works in terms of velocity, fees, active users, and more. Now going to the step by step, step 1 and 2. You are going to need this for the rest of the steps, so follow them on Twitter and join the Discord. Those are necessary steps for further steps on the tutorial guide for this video. So go to OMNI FDN, follow them and join the Discord with the official invite. In Twitter, almost 300k followers already, so this is a big community behind it. Now we go to step 3, visit the OMNI Testnet mission page. So you can go from the website, you just click on launch testnet and you are going to be redirected to this page to complete the missions. So now we need to connect to the OMNI testnet. To do that, we can go to step 5, which is you add the network of OMNI Testnet version 2. You can do this with a link on Chainlist. So you go there, it's going to send you directly here where you can add OMNI Testnet into your MetaMask, for example. Just click here on Chainlist and you are going to be done. Or the step 6 is that in the OMNI Testnet page you can click on connect, and if you are in another network it's going to ask you to switch network and it's going to change you to OMNI Testnet. At that moment it's going to pop up the information of the network, so you just click accept that and you are going to be ready and connected into OMNI Testnet. So after you are on OMNI Testnet, we go to the step 7, which is we need to claim at least one OAT from Galaxy to claim testnet tokens. So here you can see 3 different campaigns. This is the testnet version 2. This is the one that we are going to do. You have the ambassador program and the OMNI origins. You can try to check those if you can do anything of that. Maybe it doesn't worth it, but in any case you can try it if you want. But right now we go to the version 2. While here in the Galaxy of Testnet version 2, you can see I have completed one of the OATs. This gives you 25 points. So you can complete the other ones, 20 points and 25 points. I recommend you to get the 3 of these. But at least if you get one, you can see it's already claimed. You will get the testnet tokens. So now you did step 7, we go to step 8, so go to the Faucet of OMNI network, just click the link there, you will be sent here, and here you put your address wallet. So your OMNI address wallet is the same that for your MetaMask, doesn't matter that you are in the testnet of OMNI. So click here, put your address and click on found. And you are going to see this, but because I already claimed this, you can see I have an X on each of these. But if it's your first time here and you already have an OAT, you will be able to claim this. We already end step 8, and from there we go to the missions page and step 9, which is complete all the available missions. So you can go from here, you just click on launch testnet. This is going to redirect you again to the missions of OMNI network and connect your wallet again. Switch into the OMNI network. And here complete now. So like you can see, the first mission here is the mission for Collar protocol. We already did this in the previous step. The only one that we are missing is this Collar protocol query. To take out liquidation free loan leveraging the Collar protocol built by a team from Harvard and Goldman Sachs. So click on the details. And from there you are going to be sent to this call to action link where you are going to have the steps. So go down here, follow these steps, which is basically what we have been done. And now we are going to proceed to the Collar protocol interface. So here connect your wallet. It's asking me to go to Arbitrum Garlic. So we switch to the Arbitrum testnet, and we already got funds for this on the previous testnet Faucet. Now we hit request price button and confirm on MetaMask. Confirm and pay the gas fees with Agor. You can see pending, and you can see after requesting price, head on over to the Collar Alpha on OMNI. So we go here step 5, which is transition to Collar Alpha on OMNI. So after we request the price, we go here to this link on OMNI where it says the word OMNI. So open it in another tab, connect your wallet again. You will be asked to move to OMNI Testnet. And here, if your check price transaction on Arbitrum Testnet worked, you will see your positions here, and you can see how this flow should be here in the different steps on the Collar protocol guide. In my case, I am having an error on the call to action to the request price. That is why when I come here to the other Collar application and connect with my OMNI wallet, I don't see my position to accept that and manage that. But you can see here on the information how everything should work. So after you did the step to get the funds, you can connect your wallet into the first step to request the price. So click on request the price, confirm the transaction, and then you go to the other website, connect with OMNI, and you will see this borrow, this request price. So if that transaction worked fine, that right now is not working fine, you can click on accept or decline. So click accept. That is the proposal for the market maker from requested from Arbitrum. So after you can accept that, you are going to see your position in bold. So this is your open position done. And now you can go again into your Galaxy quest and complete the mint of your Collar protocol mission. Remember that will be this one, and because you are using the same address, it's going to be available. So do it. If you have the same error than me, you can go to the Discord of OMNI Network and you can ask here. There are errors, guys. This is a testnet, so things work sometimes and maybe failing another times. But about that, just come here, you will get an answer. I already have a problem before and was solved there. So that will be it. After you complete that, you will be done to this mission and you can move into the next missions. So basically you need to complete all those missions. That are the 3 NFTs that you need to get. So after what we did, you will get the mission of Collar protocol, and now you need the mission of .names domain. So go and complete that and you will get all these points. More tasks can be added over time, so always keep an eye on this. And the step 10 is what we already did. You will earn experience for completing the missions, and there will be a launcher the token called OMNI after Mainnet, so we could get some tokens for these missions completed. And here you have some official link for the OMNI Testnet, so you can check that also if you want, if you have any doubts about this. And again, any doubt that you have, you can ask here on the OMNI network. And step 13, guys, leave a feedback on their Discord. So you can go to the Discord and here you have a feedback channel on OMNI network. and some of them just put errors that they have, but others just comment that they did all the missions, they put their address. So we don't know if that is necessary, but just in case you can do it. And step 14 is that they have a Zealy too, so you may want to complete some of those stuff. So just go to the Zealy. Many of the stuff you already did that, like follow Twitter, Discord. You can invite friends, you can do some quiz. Just a couple of things. There are not many things to do here. That is why I think this is not really relevant. I think the missions are the relevant for the airdrop. And also step 15, if you want, you also can go to the guild. They have some guild missions. Some of them you can accomplish it, others are already past it, so try to do something here. For example, you can be a follow member of the Twitter. If you get the Overdrive Launch Support NFT, you can get these roles. So try to get some roles if you can from the guild. Maybe that will help you also with the airdrop. And guys, before wrapping up this video, remember that I have my subscriptions in my website, cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions, where you can join us to my Discord. We are 400 people around my private Discord, where we manage high level of information about airdrops, airdrop distributions. For example, right now there are a couple of airdrop distributions that are happening. So if you are missing some of the airdrops that you apply, you are wasting your time. So that is why my Discord will help you with your distributions, because we apply to hundreds of airdrops during the past weeks and months, so we don't want to miss any of those money. And we also have channels for more different things related to airdrops and crypto in general. And if you really want to make a difference, you need my application to apply easily to the airdrops and register all your progress on your airdrops so you don't miss anything neither. That will be all for this OMNI free airdrop, a huge project that will connect all rollups. Don't take it lightly, it could be massive. And before we leave, always like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.